He's talking. He's holding it. Left-hand drive. There's nobody else to see in the car. It's clearly a phone he's holding up near his face. Gesticulating with his right hand, holding the phone in his left hand. It's an old-fashioned phone with physical keys. I can still see him visibly talking. His mouth and lips are moving. Hi, having a good old phone call going on there.
Yeah, very good.
I don't think you're meant to be having a phone call.
Perfectly well, we're not moving, so if you'd like to squeeze through...
No problem, thank you. It's fine, you're right, you're not moving.
And don't have your camera on.
Why?
Because, you know, that's rather ridiculous, isn't it?
What, you're using your phone behind the wheel?
When I stand still.
And you just move forwards and you carried on talking and gesticulating.
Alright, okay, thank you very much. Well done.
Keep an eye on your post.
Be very good for an officer. Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too. Well done for your job.
Well, it's not actually my job, but still. Sometimes it feels like a job. After you. I'm turning around. Afternoon, be lucky. Not like him, back there. I have no idea what that car is. Y111LAN. I expect plucking the bird at me, was he? Oh well. Pretty uncouth. Oh, we got in time. Wow, that's a long standstill there. Not that it's going to make any difference. Another potential WhatsApp gap. Oh, he's definitely on the phone. Look at that bending down. Hey boss, G6UAE. Oh. M155BRK. I'm sure I remember this one before. I caught you before, didn't I?
You've done it for me before.
Well, and you're still not learning. Now you have three phones.
I always have 3 phones, but I don't use them on the, you know, it's...
That's why your screen's lit up.
Yeah,
anyway, I thought I recognized your phone number.
And I recognize you. Be in the middle of the road.
Das ist nicht geil. I'm allowed to be here.
Yeah?
I'm allowed to be here. If you got a driving license, you'd know that. Assalamu alaikum. Do you understand why I was filming you? You didn't see yourself deleting all your emails?
Sorry?
You wouldn't know anything about me watching you delete all your emails? Should you be using your phone behind the wheel? G6UAE, is it? I'm gonna report it. You've got to do better, man.
Sorry.
Yo, give me 1 second. Let me turn around, then I'll turn again.